Hi boys and girls, welcome to our next video in our homophones work. You'll notice there's another word in our title there, it's near homophones quiz. So I wonder what a near homophone is. Let's find out. What is a near homophone? We know a homophone is a word that sounds the same but is having a different meaning. So what's a near homophone? It's slightly different. Near homophones are words that sound really similar to other words, but they're spelt differently and they can mean different things too. Basically, they are words that sound very similar. They can really confuse us as well. Let's have a look at some examples. One and one. They do sound similar, don't they? I can see why people get confused. One and one. So we've got I won the race. The boy won the race on sports day. But then we've got the number one. There was only one chocolate left as Mrs. E had eaten them all. We know how Mrs. E likes chocolate. Let's look at a different example. Quite and quiet. They do sound similar, but not exactly the same. Quite and quiet. So, how might you use them? The exam is quite hard. And please be quiet when the baby is sleeping. And the way I remember this one is quiet. I can hear that E before the T, quiet. Here's another example. Accept and accept. Accept and accept. Accept would be being accepted to accept a birthday invitation. I will accept the offer to go to the party. Accept is when everyone is going except somebody. So everyone is going except Tom. Another example is affect and effect. Affect and effect. So this is a tricky one to explain. So basically, affect is that something will happen to a noun. The lightning will affect the tree. Whereas effect is the result of what has happened to the noun. The tree was affected by the storm. It depends on the tense, how it is used. Now, let's see if you can put the right spelling in these sentences. Grab your piece of paper and your pencil. Don't forget you can pause the video if you need to. Sarah walked quickly to make sure she blank the race. Sarah walked quickly to make sure she won the race, or she won the race. Well done if you said won the race and you spelt it correctly. Great job. Here's another one. Is everyone blank Tom going to the party on Saturday? Pause the video. Is it accept or is it accept? It's accept. Is everyone except Tom going to the party on Saturday? Because everybody's going except him. Here's another. Make sure you're something in the library. How do you have to behave in the library? Is it quite in the library or quiet in the library? Well done if you said quiet in the library. Quiet. This is one that everybody gets wrong, so make sure you get this one right. Quiet. Now, can we match the near homophones? Let's see. What have we got on this side? Father, desert, precede, to go before, alter, to change, proceed, further, alter, and desert. So which words sound similar? We've got father and further. We know what a father is, and further is going further, it's going a longer way. Then we've got desert, which is where the sand is, and dessert, which is what we have after our main meal. They look similar, but they are very different words. It's that double S that makes the difference. Then we've got the green words, precede and proceed. They do sound similar. Precede is to go before, and proceed is to get started. Alter and alter sound practically the same. Would really say that they were a real homophone with how you say it. If you alter something, then you can change it. And an altar is the table at the front of church where we put our special gifts to Jesus and God. So thanks for taking part. Some tricky words there. You can always replay the video whenever you want to. See you next time.